Update explained in 40 seconds. There's a timer, 3, 2, and go. So first VIM members got the banana. I don't know what it's for, but yeah. And then they added the VIM creator, I don't know. But they have these cool cosmetics. Then they added crystal flashbacks of all these cosmetics with all these eyes colors. And VIM Lava is now for free, not for VIM members. Then they added these GorillaCon TVs. Then we got these new cosmetics for VIM members. What they explain in 40 seconds. Bye.